Okay, so I was out driving my car today. Everything worked perfectly fine. Car started up normal. When I came home, I went to leave again. And I put my key in the ignition and nothing would work. This is what it does. Turn all the way on, all the lights come on. Radio will come on. Everything works. Turn the key, nothing. You don't hear any noise, no clicking from the starter, nothing. So what I'm going to show you is how to fix this problem, because it seems like a lot of Ford Focus owners are having the same issue with their 5-speed manual transmissions. Okay, what I chased the problem back to was the clutch pedal ignition lock switch. This is a switch underneath your clutch that every time you push your clutch down, it lets the computer know that your foot is on the clutch. It allows you to start your vehicle like normal when you would normally have to put your foot on the clutch. As you can see here, all you have to do is use a flathead screwdriver and get this clip right here pushed out. There's one here, and the whole thing will flip up. To put it back in is the exact opposite. You start with the front here, you lock it into place, you push it back until this middle section goes in, and then I'll click in back here on the back. So this is a clutch pedal ignition lock switch pulled out of the vehicle. This gray part that you see right here should be extended out approximately another 3/4 of an inch to an inch. What happens is when you depress the clutch pedal, this will go in and click, sending the electric signal to the vehicle that it's able to start. On mine, it's clearly worn out. You don't hear any clicking. When you purchase the new one, you will be able to hear it clicking right off the bat. Alright, so I've replaced the part now. So everything should work perfectly. Key on. No problems. That should be the fix to most Ford Focuses that aren't starting with a 5-speed manual transmission. Thanks for watching my video. Hope this was more informational than some of the other videos that are on YouTube right now. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please subscribe to my channel to see more upcoming projects on this vehicle